Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best phone farming apps for 2026. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before we jump into it, those who are new to my channel, I am a phone farming channel, and the goal of my channel is being able to showcase you guys ways to make money online and build that passive income using your smartphone. So whether this is passive, it could be through apps that I'll be showcasing today, or it could be through surveys, showing you nice easy survey apps that will allow you to just make money nice and quick, and you can spend it how you please. So that's the first part of my channel. Now, the goal of my channel is being able to turn this into an investment channel. So I'll be showcasing my investment journey and showing you guys ways to see that it truly is possible, and I want you to join me on this journey. So the true goal and the process of my channel is to showcase you ways to make money online through mobile apps, then showcase you my investment journey, and this will allow me to build this up and turn it into an income stream, and this will allow me to supplement my income. So that's the true goal of my channel: earning, investing, and then earning passively. So yeah, let's jump into the 4 apps. App number 1, my favorite app of all time, which is Ember. This app has been around for years now, and it's such a great app. So all you have to do is, once you have applied my code, you press a button and you'll start earning 7 Satoshis every single hour. So yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and every 24 hours you click that button and you'll be earning that Satoshi. And of course, once you hit the threshold, you'll be able to cash out, and then you can use that Bitcoin how you please. So this app is great, definitely worth using if you want to start earning passive income. And this can be on a spare phone or even on your main phone. I run this on my main phone, and it's more convenient for me because every time I start my day, I'll press the button and I'm earning whilst I'm getting on with my day. So it's great. App number 2, this app is CoinUp. This app is another great app, and it has been paying me consistently for over a year now. And yes, the earnings have dropped. I was earning, let's say, £10 per phone, or anywhere from like £10 to £15 per phone. So that was about £30 a month, because you can run this on 2 phones. However, from earning £30 a month has now gone down to around £10. So again, as you can see, pricing has dropped, but I want to be as transparent as possible. So yeah, to be able to earn £10 a month from 2 phones, again, passive income is passive income. I can't complain. So yeah, it's definitely an app worth getting into. I'll have links down below for those who are interested. So yeah, do keep that in mind. App number 3, THX. Now this is one of the best apps so far. I have had this app for, I want to say, it's coming up to a year now. I feel like in a few months time we will be hitting that 1 year mark. And this app is great because all you got to do is allow this app to run passively, and yeah, it's just a simple, straightforward app, and it's available on iOS and Android. So yeah, this app is simple, easy to use, and they also have surveys too. So if you want to boost that earning, then it's great, because this app pays me £10 every month non-stop, and it's been doing that for, as I said, up to a year. So yeah, if you want to start earning passive income, this app is definitely for you. And I want to also be transparent. Yes, they pay me £10, but as you can see, it's paid out in gift cards. So they don't pay out cash, but hey, Amazon, a gift card, I cannot complain indeed. So definitely worth checking out. And last but not least, we have got Brand B. So again, here is payment proof for the app. This app is a great app because all you got to do every day, press a button and you get 5 cents. Like, it's just that easy. So after 2 months, you'll get $3 and you can spend that how you please. So yeah, I've had this app for over a year now, and yeah, you just press a button, you get your 5 cents and you cash out at the end of 2 months. So if you want quick and easy money, then this app is definitely worth trying out. And then of course they have surveys if you want to speed up that income. But if you're just here for quick, simple, easy ways to make money, then press that button down below. So yeah, but yeah, those are the 4 apps. those are the 4 apps that I have introduced you guys to. So again, if you aren't aware, then definitely start downloading and start earning that passive income every single day. Yes, I understand it's not gonna make you a millionaire, but hey, look, I want to be as open. I want to showcase these earnings and ways to make money online. That's what my channel is all about, being transparent, being open, and showing you what I'm doing. And I feel like anything I can do, you can do too. So again, links down below. And as always, guys, don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, comment down below any questions, and of course, subscribe if you're new. Peace.